What's up guys, Sanananlo. I'm back with another tutorial. Okay, today bafethu I'm teaching how to play Kanti ngayithola. Yeah guys, I'm back. That's it guys. Okay, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I need subscribers guys, so that I can even grow more. Yeah, keep myself motivated. Yeah, also leave a like for a video. Please leave a like so that it can be shown to other people. Okay, let me just play 2 lines, then break the song down. That's it guys. So yeah, but le ngoma ngadlala ngendlela eziningi, you see. You can play ama-pattern amaningi. You mustn't play with one pattern vele mudlala. See? Yeah, okay. Breaking down right hand. When just as we ngidlala slow without to pass, it doesn't sound ngale ndlela ekuyiyona. You see, and that's why iba inkinga mo idlala u right hand phela. So that's it. So yeah, that's it. It's simple, G. Zindumiso. Okay. Simple. It's a simple song, but just is a trigger here and there. wena ungafaka into eningi. You can put different patterns on my bases. Yeah, that's it. It's just like that. Okay, left hand. Yeah, that's it. It's a very simple song. Yeah, maybe just breaking it down. Idlala slowly.